Hunter's TCX53 offers premium capability in a heavy-duty tabletop format. The side shovel offers best-in-class power and three-way adjustability. Cam adjusters move all four jaws at once to quickly adjust for 10 to 26-inch wheels. Hunter's patented mount head is raised spoke and clad wheel friendly. The lower disc is great for bead reloosening and lifting those heavy tires. The patented wing mount head keeps tires tracking properly without any operator input and releases easily from the wheel. A single bead press roller centers on the wheel to ensure proper tracking. The included fixed roller can be used on challenging assemblies, saving operator time and effort while preventing wheel and tire damage. Powerful jaw-based blast inflation is automatically set to position to seat the toughest truck and SUV tires. The TCX53 features the versatility of 3 power options and 2 chassis formats to suit any shop, and brings with it the capability to service anything that comes through the door.